Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we explain Dubai Civil Defense recommendations for fire alarm systems with multiple panels. In fire alarm systems with multiple control panels, providing common fire and fault signals as recommended by Dubai Civil Defense is essential. Let's dive into the best practices and compliance requirements for managing fire alarms in multi-panel systems. For compliance with the civil defense recommendations, each fire alarm control panel must provide its own common fire and common fault signals directly to the civil defense monitoring system. While common fire and fault signals are sent from each individual panel to the civil defense, zone-based signals which provide more detailed information about specific fire zones can be routed through the master panel. Why follow this approach? Improved reliability. Each panel communicates directly, ensuring no loss of critical information. Streamlined operations. Zone-based details from the master panel allow for better internal management. Regulatory compliance. This setup aligns with the UAE Fire and Life Safety codes, ensuring a quick civil defense response during emergencies. To ensure compliance, connect common fire and fault signals from every panel directly to the civil defense monitoring system. Use the master panel to consolidate and manage zone-wise signals for internal use. Collaborate with the civil defense approved contractors for system installation and maintenance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fire safety insight and updates.